world watched as the jury found Johnny Depp and Amber Heard were both defamed, but there is no question who the panel sided with.
Amber Heard was not a good witness, and juries react to that.
Women's rights attorney Nancy Erika Smith calls the verdict reasoned. And while a defeat for one woman, she says it is not a defeat for all women.
Some say this verdict marks the end of the Me Too movement. Do you agree?
Not at all. I think that Me Too is here to stay. I don't think women should be afraid that we have to tolerate the harassment and abuse we've tolerated for centuries.
Depp and Heard are two privileged celebrities with high-powered legal and PR teams, unlike most cases involving accusations of domestic abuse.
Is there anything typical about this case?
No, there's nothing typical about this case, thank God. And this is not your typical sexual harassment case where you have incredible disparities of power. Amber Heard is not somebody without agency, power, and money.
But Heard is someone who said she was a victim of abuse, and experts say that will still resonate with those of lesser means.
I'm not certain that it will stop someone from seeking support or safety. I am certain that it will give them one more thing to think about before they speak up.
The idea that you could face a defamation lawsuit for just sharing your own experience in public is a huge infringement upon survivors' right to free speech, and that's my primary concern about this case.
An experience this jury did not believe. Ann Thompson, NBC News.
I want to turn now to NBC News legal analyst Danny Savalos. Danny, the verdict really makes clear jurors did not buy one word of Amber Heard's testimony, rejecting the abuse allegations outright. And it's all the more striking because of the way the law is set up here.
That's right. If the jury had believed that Amber Heard was the victim of abuse once, and not necessarily physical abuse, but any kind of abuse, even once, they could have found her not credible on certain issues. They could have found some of her evidence not compelling. One instance of abuse, and she should have gotten a defense verdict. So that means, by implication, they rejected all of her testimony, all of her evidence. And Johnny Depp's road was even harder because of the Supreme Court's case law on public figures like these two plaintiffs and counterplaintiff. They have to show much more. They have to show actual malice, knowledge that the statement's false, or reckless disregard of its falsity.
The bar is high, and the jury said he crossed it. Danny, thank you very much.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.